Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting the two files ready, the background photo and the image you want to add. Open your chosen editor on the phone. I recommend one with layers like PixArt or a layer-capable app. Once done, import the background first so composition is stable, then add the overlay image. Make sure the overlay is PNG if you need transparency. This avoids color edges and saves time when you move to precise placement in the next step. Now you position and blend the added image. You'll drag, pinch to scale, and rotate the overlay until it sits where you want. Zoom in to check edges. Then reduce opacity or try blend modes like multiply or screen to match lighting and color. This is why blend modes matter. They integrate highlights and shadows. If the app supports a soft eraser or mask, refine the perimeter to remove hard edges. Make sure to step back and check the whole frame for realism. Finish by deciding whether to flatten layers or save a layered project for later tweaks. Keeping a layered file preserves editability. Export at the original resolution to avoid quality loss and pick PNG for transparency or high-quality JPG for sharing. If colors look off, use a quick color balance or temperature tweak before exporting. If things go wrong, reopen the layered file, adjust the mask edges, or match the color temperature and opacity. That single fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.